Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching AV Tech Support. Today I am back with another video. So this video will be really helpful for Etisalat. So this Etisalat is giving for monthly for 119 dirhams. There is 5 countries available to call. So let's start my video. So guys, after coming mobile screen, then open dial pad, then dial star 135 hash call. Then here you choose number 4, then choose number 8. So here you can see there is 5 countries allowed to call unlimited. So there is Pakistan, Egypt, Nepal, Philippines, Jordan. So these 5 countries is you can call for unlimited for monthly. So we'll check for Pakistan. So we'll just reply 1. Then here you can see unlimited minutes to 5 numbers. So there is a 5 number fixed set. 5 number if you call for whole month, only 119 dirham for 28 days. So if you want to subscribe, just press 1, then reply, then send. So this one I'm not going to do this one because this not for me. So I'm going back. Then you have, if you want to, I want to see another, so I'll dial 0, then send. So here you can see there is for Egypt. Let's check for Egypt also, number 2. So here also you can see same way. So unlimited minutes for 5 numbers. So there is for 119 for 28 days. For subscribe 1. So like this you can subscribe for this one. And I think this package is very good because you can choose for your family for like 5 person. So you can call unlimited, just pay for 119 dirhams. Okay, so this is the package for Etisalat. So if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe with this one. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you think if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you so much for watching this video.